What is up everybody, welcome to another Cash App related video on our One to Step YouTube channel. And in today's Cash App video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up to Cash App. So it's pretty simple. You can download this Cash App app from your Play Store or App Store, depends on the phone which you're using. Just download Cash App. After downloading Cash App, basically what you want to do is you want to open it. Once you open Cash App, the first thing it's going to ask you is enter your phone number or email, and you want to enter your phone number or email, depends on whichever thing you want to use. All right, so after entering your phone number or email, you want to click on next. Then it's going to send you a verification code to your email or your phone number, whichever thing you typed. You just want to type that verification over here. And after typing the verification code, you want to click on next. And after that, it's going to ask you to link your bank account or debit card. Now, if you guys want to link your debit card over here, you can link it over here. But if you do not want to link it right now, then you can click on skip and, skip this part. But if you want to link it, then you can, link your debit card over here by putting all your information over here and clicking on next. But I don't want to enter it right now, so I'm going to click on skip. Now over here, what you want to do is you want to enter your name, your first name and your last name. After entering your first name and your last name, you want to click on next. Now after entering your username, it's going to give you a cash tag. Now what cash tag is like, this cash tag is unique to every single person. Do not, share it to anyone, all right? You want to share your cash tag to those people to whom you want to get money with. So let's say I want to get money from my friend. I need to send him my cash tag and he can enter my cash tag over here and he can send me money, all right? So that's basically what cash tag is used for. So you want to click on next after seeing your cash tag, and then basically it's done. Now once you're over here, it says invite your friend and get $15. What it means is if you guys invite your friend and they join, Cash App, you can get $15 for free, and your friend can also get $15 for free. So yeah, that's basically what it is. But if you do not want to invite them, you can just click on skip. But if you want to, you can click on continue. I'm just going to click on skip. And after you click on skip, basically it's done here on Cash App. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can sign up into Cash App. It's that simple. So hope you guys found our video helpful. So if you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, peace out.